Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video we're going to talk about something very important if you're doing research like variables in quantitative research. Don't worry if that sounds a bit technical, but I explain everything in simple terms. By the end of this vlog, you will be understanding what the variables are, what types they have, and how they use in your research. Let's begin. Let's start in basic variables. It's something that can change or vary. In research, variables are the things that we study, measure, or observe. They are the factors that can affect the result of the study. For example, you want to know if studying longer helps students get higher test score. Then your variables are study time and test score. These are two things that are connected that you want to know that they are the teach or others that they will be called on the variables that they can change from one person to another. Now let's talk about types of variables. In quantitative research, each type has a different rule in a study. First, independent variables. This is the cause or the factor that you change or control. This is the thing that affect of the outcome. Examples, study time. You decide how long someone studies and you want to see if it makes a difference. Second, dependent variables. These are the effect or the result you are measuring. It depends on what you with independent variables. Examples, test scores. You measure the test score to see if the study time has made a difference. So remember, independent variables, what do you change? Dependent variable, what you measure. 3. Second, control variables. These are the things that you keep the same in your study so they can affect the results. Examples, same test, same classroom, same time of day. This helps to make sure that only things that change in the study time. Extraneous variables. There are extra factors that you are not studying, but they might affect the outcome. Example, how much sleep the students and the student was sleepy. It might affect their test score even they studied. 5. Compounding variables. There are 5. Compounding variables. These are tricky. They affect both independent and dependent variables and can confuse the results. Examples, student motivation. Motivated student might study longer and get higher scores, not just because of study time, but because they care more. Kind of quantitative variables. Variables quantitative research involves numbers. There are two kinds. A. Discrete variables, counted in whole numbers. Examples, number of books read, numbers of absence. B. Continuous variables, measured and can include decimals or fractions. Examples, height, weight, times, and scores. Levels of measurements. We also group variables by how they measured. There are 4 levels. First is nominals. Name of categories only. Examples, gender, male, and female, also religion. Second, ordinal, ordered or ranked. Examples, first place, second, and third. Interval, number with equal space to 0. Examples, temperature and degrees Celsius. 4. Ratio, same as interval but with 0. Example, age, height, scores, and income. And that's all.